Alrighty guys, welcome back. It is August 19th, 2025, Tuesday. Another no news day. I think we might have had something at 10, but it was like very low impact, practically no news day. Today we had a very quick loss, as you just saw. This loss actually ended up playing out into it would have been a win. I mean, I had a super tight stop loss, so it is what it is. I tried to re-enter, and it was just another very small loss, like maybe 3 points. But this week's been, honestly, August in general has been quite difficult. Not sure exactly why that might be, but I know that it's making me feel a little bit crazy. We are still up on the funded, of course, sitting at just over 51,000 right now. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe that the account is closed if one were to lose more than 50,100 once they've already made it to the maxed trailing, the max amount that the trailing drawdown can follow you. But I'm honestly not too worried about it. Yeah, been thinking a lot, maybe too much recently, about this stuff. I think the losses this week have just kind of gotten to my head. Even though it's only been 2 losses, they've been bigger than they should have been because I am still a little bit weaker minded than I would like to be. And you know, if it takes a little bit longer than I thought to get the first payout, it is what it is. I mean, that's part of the game. So, and I don't know. Yeah, it just makes me second guess myself. Like taking a couple losses back to back kind of makes you question your edge and whether or not you actually know what you're doing. Because I'm still in kind of that funky phase mentally where I'm slowly seeing success, gradually getting closer and closer, yet I don't really feel like I totally know what I'm doing. I mean, obviously I'm confident in my analysis and I'm confident in what I've studied for the past 10 months, and I'm confident that I can read the market. I mean, the loss today and the loss yesterday both ended in wins. Like my target was correct. I just wasn't risking, an insane amount that would have been needed to have been risked in order to actually win. So I think the PA is just a little bit inefficient currently. I'm debating sizing down, or rather maybe even cinching my stop loss, my allocated risk a little bit more, just until things clear up. But we'll see tomorrow. It could be the news. No news today and yesterday, so. But yeah, I was gonna turn my camera on for this video, but I didn't forget. But I did. I don't even know what I'm saying. I was gonna turn my camera on, but then I didn't. What else? Oh yeah, I guess my confidences for this long were we swept not all cell side, but a lot of cell side, and we had a 3-minute inversion, a large hourly wick, and we were targeting a rebalance towards the first presented, or like half of that wick that tapped in the first presented, and yeah. Oh, SMT at the lows. Not the worst break-even spot, but not the best either. But yeah, the play that was a win was a couple minutes after this. There was an SMT created at those internal highs there. Tapped into first presented again, and there was a 2-minute inversion that was not the cleanest, but had an order block in it, paired with SMT, and paired that we were bouncing out of the first presented, and there was good targets below, so, and a good break-even point. So in hindsight, I wish I took that trade. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to be more patient, but yeah, that's that really. So I hope you guys had a good one today, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.